Ekitongole empabweze kya Lions Club eya Ntungamo baraganiise obutarikwebaasa abo boona abataine kuhwera omu byanga bitari bimwe na bimwe. Babaire nibahindura obwebembezi aho Lion Ezra kwesika mukama hagiire omu bigyere bya Lion Joshua Namanya. Omukoro ogu gwebembirwe owaabireho minisita w'enshonga za teso Lion Amongin Apollo Christian Helen.
Lionism is a cooperative effort in which all of us must participate in our time. And we must make sure that the talents are successful in our efforts, as in our motto, to serve.
Environment. I will also ensure that community is sensitized and awareness provided about environmental protection and possible effects of environmental destruction.
President Omusya Lion Ezra kwesika mukama araganiise okwebembeza okwombeka irwariro ry'amaisho hamwe n'okumanyisa abantu okwerinda endwara ezitarikutambwa.
A patient waiting shed at Rwampara Center 4 was successful. We planted several trees, we fed the hungry, we visited the sick and served all our core areas.
I will ensure that eye screening activities are conducted and about 1,000 people served. I will also follow up the project proposal for our eye care project in the Lions Club International for funding.
Honorable Bata Kamatwene Jocelyn owaabireho MP w'abakazi wa district ya Ntungamo hashabira b'ekitongole kya Lions okutamaani aby'amakorero okutunga eihanga.
We need to focus so much on value addition. We need to technology. We need to so much on innovation and something to do with that industrialization and cottage industries.
The older I grow, the more I understand that it's not money and riches, but the people you love that make you rich.
Gashakwa Anita Tkund.